back to my channel. I am Elise, founder of Letters for Life, and today I have a good one for you guys. We are going to be working out. I have my friend Rojanelle. This is where you're supposed to come in. Pause. Welcome back to my channel. I am Elise, founder of Letters for Life, and today I have a good one for you. We are going to be working out our core. I have a special friend with me today.
Hi, I'm Rojanelle.
And we're going to be working out our core. She came to me and said that she wanted to work on her stomach, so I'm going to help her with that. I finished from doing my core exercise. How you feeling, girl?
It was good.
It was good? You feel good?
Feeling it.
So, if you need encouragement, you know somebody else that needs encouragement, please write into my foundation, www.lettersforlife.net. As always, I love you, but God loves you. Y'all have a good day. This girl here. Oh my God.
I'm about it, I go get it, that's how I do it. Not in the stars, I'm not lucky, I just